ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मैत्रेयी ब्राह्मण. Three drashtantas were given. Dundubhi, then
Shankha and Veena.
Shankha and Veena. What was the objective of these?
Samanya Vishes.
One people, let me hear what you understood as the prayojanam of this. Samanya Vishesha what? Everybody was saying suddenly.
Samanya Sabda and Visheshas.
Okay, next person. Sthiti kaha? Sthiti kale everything is Atma. This I have to understand. Shabda and all is Gauna. It is only in Drishtanta. Pratipadanam is in Sthiti I should see myself as all. And that is only possible if I have understood myself as Satchit Swarupa. Anya Swarupena it is not possible. So Satchit Rupena, Satta Rupena, Aham eva idam sarvam. In Sthiti Kala, this is difficult. This is what was raised as a question. So that is what was explained. Now, page number 597. टीका स यथा आर्द्र एधाग्नेः इत्यादि वाक्यस्य तात्पर्यम् आह. इट इज एधाग्नि. आर्द्रैधाग्नेः इत्यादि वाक्यस्य तात्पर्यम् आह. That is the next mantra, Dashama mantra. What is the tathparyam of this? That is said, Vartik you see, in 7 number Tippani, there is a Vartika. So, 303 number. स्वार्थ साधन यत्नादीन अनपेक्ष्योत्सृजेत यथा धूमादीन हुत भुक्तत्वात् प्राणादीन प्रत्यगीश्वरः. धूमादीन हुत भुक्तवत् भुक्तत्वात् होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी भुक्तत्वात्. भुक्त दकार धूमादीन हुतभुक्तवत् धूमादीन. At least try to understand the meaning.
Swamiji, maybe it's Hutabhuk Tadvat.
हुतभुक तद्वत्. धूमादीन हुतभुक तद्वत् प्राणादीन प्रत्यग ईश्वर. स्वार्थ साधन यत्नादीन अनपेक्ष. हुतभुक का अर्थ है, हुतभुक मीन्स अग्नि. अग्नि, जस्ट एज अग्नि स्वार्थ साधन यत्नादीन अनपेक्ष धूमादीन उत्सृजेत यथा तद्वत् ईश्वरः प्रत्येक ईश्वरः प्राणादीन उत्सृजेत. प्रत्येक ईश्वर प्रत्येगात्मा. So Agni, how it releases all these Dhuma, everything is given. Visfulinga, Dhuma, etc. Without Swartha, without Sadhana, and without Yatna. Three things are there. Without any self-motive, without any other means, without any effort. Kriti is not there. In the same way, Ishvara doesn't have any Swartha in Srishti. Any sadhana is not needed. And any yatna, effort is not there. It is effortless. It just happens. See, Bhashya. Evam utpatti kale prag utpattir brahmaiva iti shakyam avagantum. In the same way, utpatti kale and prag utpatti, just before the creation, Brahma alone is there. From that Brahma Srishti comes. That also is possible to know. So first he talked about Sthiti. Now he is talking about Utpatti. See the mantra. Shakyam avagantum. Shakyam avagantum. It is possible to know. It was just how in Sthiti Kala it was possible to know with the help of examples. Here also it is possible to know with the example. Sayatha आर्द्रैधाग्नेरभ्याहितात् पृथक् धूमा विनिश्चरन्त्येवं वा अरे अस्य महतो भूतस्य निश्वसितमेतद् यदृग्वेदो यजुर्वेदः सामवेदोऽर्थार्वाङ्गिरस इतिहास पुराणं विद्या उपनिषदः श्लोकाः सूत्राण्यनुव्याख्यानानि व्याख्यानान्यस्यैव एतानि निश्वसितानि. Again I will read. सयथा आर्द्रैधाग्नेरभ्याहितात् पृथक् धूमा विनिश्चरन्त्येवं वा अरे अस्य महतो भूतस्य निश्वसितम् एतद् यदृग्वेदो यजुर्वेदः सामवेदोऽथर्वाङ्गिरस इतिहास पुराणं विद्या उपनिषदः श्लोकाः सूत्राण्यनुव्याख्यानानि व्याख्यानान्यस्यैव एतानि निश्वसितानि. Just as Sayatha Ardra Edhagnehe, in Agni which is kindled in the Ardra Edhas. Edhas is the Pratipadika. Ardra means Ardra Indhana Sanyoga is this.
Wait,
Wet.
wait,
When
wait.
there is Ardra Indhana Sanyoga, then what will happen?
Dhuma.
Dhuma.
Will come. And if you do such Vyapti, that yatra yatra one is tatra tatra dhuma, then what will happen? What will happen?
Upadhi is added.
What is the Upadhi?
Ardha Indana Sayoga.
Ardra Indhana Sanyoga. So that is what is given. So yatha Ardra Edhagnehe Abhyahitat, from that पृथक धूमाः विनिश्चरन्ति. धूम एंड विस्फुलिंग इत्यादि. एवं वा अरे. सो दृष्टांत इज ओवर. इन द सेम वे अरे अस्य महतो भूतस्य, दिस अस्य महतो भूतस्य निश्वसितम एतद् यद् ऋग्वेदो. हैव यू हर्ड दिस बिफोर एनीवेयर?
Yes,
Anybody?
Swamiji.
Where?
In Brahma Sutra,
Ah,
Bhashya or Tika.
this is in Brahma Sutra. ब्रह्म सूत्र तृतीय सूत्र शास्त्र योनित्वात्. इट्स विषय वाक्य इज दिस. ब्रह्म सूत्र सूत्ras require a विषय वाक्य. This is a विषय वाक्य. अस्य महतो भूतस्य निश्वसित. That's why I read it twice. अस्य महतो भूतस्य निश्वसितम. महतो भूत, दिस ब्रह्म और आत्मा, which is bhuta means existing, mahat means brihat. Nishwasitam, its nishvasa itself is what? Etad yad rigvedo yajurveda samvedo atharvangirasa. In all the Vedas are effort. So all the three you have to understand. There is no swartha in revealing Vedas. There is no sadhana. There is no yatna. Effortlessly. That yatna rahita is nishwasitam. In Ramayana there is a chaupai. Jaki Shwas Shruti Chari, something like that. Sahaj Shwas Shruti. Jaki Sahaj Shwas Shruti Chari, like that. Whose Sahaj Shwas. The Nishwasa given, the Goswami changed into Shwas. So effortlessly how we breathe, like that Vedas are revealed. Etad yad rigvedo yajurveda samvedo atharvangirasa. Up to this is okay. Then itihasa. Itihasa, what is the popular meaning of itihasa? Ramayana and Mahabharata. They are called itihasa, Ramayana, Mahabharata. You don't take them here. Ramayana, Mahabharata, they are Paurushaya or Apaurushaya? They are Paurushaya. They will not be included here. So itihasa means you have to include only Apaurushaya itihasa vakya, which are there only in Vedas. Puranam. What is the popular meaning of Purana? Ashtadasha Purana. They are Paurushaya or Apaurushaya? They will not be taken. Here you have to take only that prasanga from Veda where Apaurushayatva is there and some Kathanaka is there, some story is there. Then it will be called Purana. But it has to be Apaurushaya only. Then Vidya, Upanishad means the Jnana Pratipadaka Vakya of the Veda. Upanishad is Bahuvachana. Shlokaha. So there are some Shloka Vakya. like tadapyesha shloko bhavati, so some shloka will come in the Veda and it will have niyata pada and niyata akshara, so it will qualify for shloka easily. So such mantras will be called shloka. Some mantras will be called itihasa, some mantras will be called purana, some mantras will be called upanishad, some mantras will be called vidya, some mantras will be called sutra, sutrani. Sutra you don't take here as Brahma Sutra, and you also don't take here Vyakarana Sutra or Yoga Sutra or Anya Sutra. This sutra also means Apaurushaya Sutra only. So then what will come here? What will be included? Vidya Sutra, Avidya Sutra, right? Atmetyo Upasita, and all those things will come here again and they say Brahmavid apnoti param. This is a sutra. Tadesha Bhyukta Satyam Jnanam, that is vritti. Then Tasmad va etasmad is Vyakhyanam of that. So Brahmavid apnoti param is a sutra sthaniya. So Apaurushaya sutras are also there. Then Anuvyakyanani, Vyakyanani, any Vyakyanam, any elaboration on that. So Anuvyakyanani means the discourse that follows this, and Vyakhyana is taken as some Arthavada mantras, etc. All of that means whatever is Apaurushaya has come from Paramatma. Paurushaya also you can take. There is no harm, because when we say Paramatma is Yoni of Shastra, all Shastra you can include. But Bhagavan Bhashyakar, keeping in mind this current context, he says we have to take only whatever has Brahma as Utpatti Sthanam. Etani nishvasitani. Asyeva etani nishvasitani. Yatha in Bhashya. Agner Visfulinga Dhuma Angara Archisham. Agner Visfulinga Dhuma Angara Archisham Praak Vibhagat. Agnireva iti bhavati. Agni bhavati agnya ekatvam. Bhavati agnya ekatvam. Before the divisions you make in Agni. So if there is a piece of wood, you show in that what is there? Agni, unmanifest. Then when you, in that indhana, when you give some external Agni, or you somehow express it here, then Visfulinga will come, Dhuma will come, some Angara, Archi, flames will come, etc. Tesham Prak Vibhagat, Vibhagat Prak, before that division is done, Agni hi eva, it is Agni only. In Dhuma is also Agni, according to this Drashtanta. Bhavati Agnya Ekatvam. Evam, in the same way, Jagan Nama Rupa Vikritam Prag Utpattehe Pragyana Ghana Eva iti Yuktam Grihitum iti etaduchyate. Jagat Nama Rupa Vikritam, this Jagat which has Nama Rupa Vikara, Nama Rupa Vikritam Jagat, Utpattehe Prag Pragyana Ghana Eva, it is nothing but Pragyana Ghana only. Like how it is given सदैव सौम्य idam agra asit ekameva dvitiyam. So in that, what is idam? Sadeva Somya idam agra asit. Idam is jagat. Idam jagat utpattehe prak sat eva asit. Exactly that is given. Idam jagat nama rupa vikritam utpattehe prak prajnana ghana eva. This jagat was Brahma alone. Iti yuktam grahitum. Iti etad uchyate. So, Grahitum yuktam. In this way, its grahanam is yuktam. Whose grahanam? Grahanam of this jagat. That this jagat, what I am experiencing now, was Brahma alone. Was Brahma alone. Was Brahma alone. So if it was Brahma alone, it is Brahma alone. Only Nama Rupa Vikaras are there, because of which I get Bhranti. I get carried away by those Vikaras. Six number टिप्पणी correction is there. उक्त तात्पर्यम स यथा इत्यादि वाक्येन उच्यते. Not वाक्ये नोच्यते. वाक्येन उच्यते. टीका स्थिति कालवत् इति एवं शब्दार्थः. There is evam. Not that evam. Evam utpatti kale, that evam. First evam. In Bhashya, the first shabda, evam utpatti kale, that one. Mark that so that you know which evam is it. See, what is given in the tippani, I mean tika, sthiti kalavat. Just as in sthiti kala, evam utpatti kale api. Just as in sthiti kala, it is easy to understand Brahma alone is all through Drishtanta. In the same way, in the Utpatti Kala also, through Drishtanta, it is easy to know that everything is Brahma. If this vichara somebody has to do, mind has to be completely available only for this vichara. If mind is thinking about other things, this vichara will not happen. So then when we study Vedanta and when we feel that nothing is happening, so don't worry, nothing will happen. Because this vichara is what is important. That's why Atmanastu Kamaya Sarvam Priyam Bhavati came first. Then all these prakarana came. Tika. Tatra Vakyam Avatarya Vyachaste iti etat iti. Iti etat Grahitum iti etad uchyate. That iti etad. Mahato anavacchinnasya bhutasya paramarthasya iti yavat. Mahato means anavacchinnasya. Bhutasya means paramarthasya. That's how he has given the anvaya. Further in Tika, Nishwasitam eva iti uktam vyanakti. Nishwasitam. So what is the meaning of that? He explains. स यथा आर्द्र, रेफ इज मिसिंग, आर्द्रैधाग्ने रार्द्रैर्द्रेधोभिः इद्धो अग्निः आर्द्रैधाग्निः, आर्द्र एधोभिः इद्धः अग्निः आर्द्रैधाग्निः, आर्द्र एधोभिः, एधोभिः, व्हाट इज द विभक्ति? तृतीया बहुवचन, एधोभिः, इद्धो अग्निः, इंधि दीप्तौ धातु इज देयर, अग्निः is called आर्द्रैधाग्निः. तस्मात्, further in भाष्य, अभ्याहितात् पृथक् धूमाः पृथक् नाना प्रकारं धूमग्रहणं विस्फुलिंगादि प्रदर्शनार्थं धूम विस्फुलिंगादयो विनिश्चरन्ति विनिर्गच्छन्ति. अभ्याहितात् पृथक्, separated are these धूमाः, पृथक् नाना प्रकारं धूमग्रहणं विस्फुलिंगादि प्रदर्शनार्थं, and विस्फुलिंग etc. धूम विस्फुलिंगादयो विनिश्चरन्ति विनिर्गच्छन्ति, they all come out from this Agni. एवं यथा अयं दृष्टान्तः अरे मैत्रेयी अस्य परमात्मनः प्रकृतस्य महतो भूतस्य, ओ मैत्रेयी अस्य परमात्मनः प्रकृतस्य, दिस परमात्मा whose प्रकरणम is going on, परमात्मनः प्रकृतस्य महतो भूतस्य निश्वसितम्, एतन् निश्वसितम् इव निश्वसितम्. महतो भूतस्य निश्वसितम्, if you say निश्वास, श्वास is there, so Brahma is breathing, Brahma is sapranah, then in the Upanishad you say it is apranah. So how it is possible? So it says nishvasitam, etan nishvasitam, eva nishvasitam. As if to show the effortlessness, that's all. Yatha aprayatnena eva purusha nishvaso bhavati evam vare. एवं वारे टीका अरे मैत्रेयी ततो जातम इति संबंध. अरे मैत्रेयी ततः पंचमी, ततो जातम, ततो उत्पन्नम इदम जगत. प्रयत्न इज नॉट देयर. तदेव आकांक्षा पूर्वकम विशदयति. नाउ दैट पार्ट आकांक्षा पूर्वक, सो सम आकांक्षा विल बी देयर. व्हाट इज द आकांक्षा? किं तन् निश्वसितम ततो जातम इत्युच्यते. व्हाट इज दैट निश्वसितम ततो जातम उत्पन्नम निश्वसितम. सो इन दी when he breathes out, what is उत्पन्नम? ततो जातम किम इत्युच्यते. यद ऋग्वेदो यजुर्वेदः सामवेदो अथर्वांगिरसस् चतुर्विधम. व्हाट इज ऋग्वेदः? ऋग्वेद इज नियतपादाक्षराणि यस्मिन् मंत्रे, और येषु मंत्रेषु ते मंत्राः ऋग्वेद मंत्राः. There where pada and aksharas are niyata. In general, all those mantras are there, but that doesn't mean that in Rigveda aniyata pada or aniyata akshara mantras are not there. They are also there. In fact, if you see Aitareya Upanishad, which belongs to Rigveda, almost every mantra is aniyata only. But this is general definition. Lakshana. Then Yajurveda is aniyata akshara, aniyata pada. and Samaveda is Geeti Rupa, Gana. Atharvangi Rasa, second number tippani see. Atharvana Angirasa cha Drashta Mantra. Atharvangi Rasa. By this Atharvana Rishi or Angiras Rishi, so they say Atharva Veda has more of some Vastu Shastra and what all things they apply, but not all. Like Mandu, so many Upanishads, Mundaka, Mandukya, they all are also in Atharvana Veda only. So you cannot generalize, but some things are mentioned in this way, you will come across. Atharvangi Rasas Chaturvidham, Mantra Jatam, fourfold Mantra Samuha, Mantra Jatam, Mantra Samuham. Itihasa, Itiha, Asa, Itihasa, Iti. What is that? Urvashi Pururavasoho Samvadadi. Urvashi Ha Apsara Ityadi. There was some Apsara called Urvashi, her dialogue with Pururava. So Urvashi Pururavasoho Samvada. This will be called Itihasa. Where will be it be? In the Brahmana Bhag of the Veda. Ityadi Brahmanam eva. That Brahmana will be called as Itihasa. Tika. Itihasa iti Brahmanam eva iti sambandha. Samvadadi ityadi padena prana samvadadi grahana. Samvada is there, so prana samvada also, prana and all the indriyas, their samvada, kalaha, shruti. All of that is itihasa. And that tells you this didn't happen. It is akhyayika. Importance is not in that. Asiditi grihyate. Samvadadi ityadi padena prana samvadadi. Then Puranam. What is the Puranam? Asadva idamagra asit ityadi. This is the Puranam. If this Purana you teach, how many people will listen to Puranas? See in Tika. Asadva idamagra asit ityadi iti atra adi shabdena asadevedamagra asit iti grihyate. Asadva idamagra asit is from where? And asadevedamagra asit is? Asadva idamagra asit is Taittiriya, Brahmananda Valli. Asadva idamagra asit tadatmanam swayam akuruta yadvai tatskritam raso vaishaha prasakya Taittiriya. No, asadva idamagra asit. Asadva is Taittiriya. Iti atra and adi shabdena asadevedamagra asit is Chandogya. Iti grihyate. Tippani there would have helped, but no tippani is given. That is good. Devajana Vidya, Nritya Gitadi Shastra. Vidya Shabda is there in Bhashya. Vidya, Devajana Vidya. Vedaha Soayam Ityadya. This is Gandharva Vidya. Gandharva Veda is there. This is all that. So Nritya Gitadi Shastra. They are proud, huh? Those who do this Nritya Gita, they say this is part of Veda. You give so much importance to those rituals and everything. This is also Vedika. Vedaha soyam, Vedat bahirna bhavati ityarthaha. So that Vidya, some such reference must be there. Soyam, Vedah Soyam. इत्याद्या विद्या इति संबंधः. All of this is vidya. आदि शब्द है शिल्प शास्त्र संग्रहार्थम. Not only nritya and gita, you need shilpa shastra, sculpture. That is shastra is also included. Then bhashya Upanishadah priyam iti etad upasita ityadyaha. Upanishad is what? Priyam iti etad upasita. 4 and 5 number टिप्पणी. अविधायक रूप शब्द रूपा बृहदारण्य का 413. They are called Upanishad. In Upanishad, upasanas are also included here. Because they will not come under Purana, Itihasa, Vidya, etc. So they will come under this. Tika. प्रियमिति एतद उपासीत इत्याद्या इति अत्र आदि शब्द है सत्यस्य सत्यम प्राणामेव सत्य प्राण एव सत्यम तेषामेष सत्यम लाइक दैट इट इज. दैट इज उपनिषद. इति उपनिषद संग्रहार्थ. दैट इज आल्सो उपनिषद. Then shlokaha brahmana prabhava mantraha tadete shloka ityadayah. Brahmana prabhava brahmana bhaga matrastha, not to mantra bhaga. Shlokas which are there only in brahmana bhaga, not mantra bhaga. Bhagavan Bhashyakar brahmana prabhavaha mantraha तदेते श्लोका इत्यादयः. In टीका it is given तदेते श्लोका इत्यादयः इति अत्र आदि शब्देन तदप्येष श्लोको भवति. असन्नेव स भवति इत्यादि गृह्यते. हाँ, असन्नेव स भवति. असन्नेव स भवति असद् ब्रह्मेति वेद चेत् अस्ति ब्रह्मेति चेत् वेद सन्तमेनं ततो विदुरिति. Some sound is coming. Yes, correct. इत्यादिनी इत्यादि पदम अथ यो अन्याम देवताम उपास्ते ब्रह्मविदाप्नोति परम इत्यादि. आदि पदम अथ यो अन्याम देवताम उपास्ते ब्रह्मविदाप्नोति पदम परम is given here in sutra. सूत्राणि वस्तु संग्रह वाक्यानि वेदे यथा आत्मेत्योपासित इत्यादिनी. Any vastu sangrah vakya will be called sutra, including Brahmavid apnoti param. Yo anyam devatam upaste is what? Avidya sutra. Atha yo anyam devatam upaste. Anyo asav anyo aham asmiti na saveda. Yatha pashureva devanam. Grihitum. Then further, अनुव्याख्यानानि मंत्र विवरणानि. व्याख्यानानि अर्थवाद. अनुव्याख्यान means मंत्र विवरण and व्याख्यान means अर्थवाद. टीका अर्थवादेषु व्याख्यान पद प्रवृत्तौ हेतु अभावं शंकित्वा पक्षांतरम आह. In अर्थवाद व्याख्यान पद is there for that there is no hetu abhavam shankitva pakshantarma athva vastu sangrah vakya vivaranani anuvyakya. Vastu sangrah vakya, their vivaranam will be called anuvyakya. यथा चतुर्थाध्याये आत्मेत्योपासित इति अस्य यथा वा अन्यो असा अन्यो अहम अस्मि इति न स वेद यथा पशुरेवम् इति अस्य अयमेव अध्याय शेषः. अयमेव अध्याय शेष. दिस अध्याय इज द शेष ऑफ दैट. चतुर्थ अध्याय, here he says वक्ष्यमाण चतुर्थ अध्याय. वक्ष्यमाण चतुर्थ अध्याय means उच्यमानो भाष्य चतुर्थाध्यायो द्वितीय अध्याय इति यावत्, means this day. This अध्याय is the व्याख्यानम of आत्मेत्योपासित. टीका इतिहासादि शब्द व्याख्यान उपसंहरति. एवं अध्याय शेषः. अने मंत्र विवरणानि व्याख्यानानि. एवं अष्टविधम ब्राह्मणम. इन दिस वे ब्राह्मण हैज 8 parts. ब्राह्मणम इति इतिहासादि पद वेदनीयम. So in Brahmana, what all things will come? इतिहास, पुराण, विद्या, उपनिषद, श्लोक, सूत्र, अनुव्याख्यानानि, व्याख्यानानि. How many are there? 8. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.